Let us write a program to take the age of a person and check whether he is young or not. So for that I will declare a variable called age and cout enter your age, then cin take age. A condition we have already seen that age is greater than or equal to 12 and age is less than or equal to 50, then we will say he is young. Cout young, else cout not young. That's it. So this will check the condition. So two conditions are there. So this is a compound conditional statement. Let us run it and see. It's asking for age. I will enter 10 years. Not young. You can see the message here. It's not young. Age is 30. So the message is young. You are young. Let me try comma here and see what happens. I have given comma. It's a warning. You see, possible misuse of comma, because comma is not used here. We use compound conditional statement. We use logical operators here. If I am using comma, then the first condition, whether it's true or false, it will execute only based on the second condition. If the number is less than 50, it will work. Let us run and see. I am giving age as -5, which is less than or equal to 50. See, it is less than or equal to 50. I am giving 5, -5, young. I got a message that it is young, because first condition, though it was false, but the second condition it was true, so it has entered into this one. So it will check these two conditions independently if we write comma here. So comma is not used here. You should use either and or. So as per our condition, and is useful. Now we'll convert this program using or. Now let us convert this program to take age and check if he is eligible for some offer or not, like if age is less than 12 years or if age is greater than 50, then he is eligible for an offer. So I'll make a message that eligible, otherwise not eligible. See here, age of a person is taken and the condition is checked whether he is less than 12, means he is a child, or greater than 50, means he is an old man. So suppose the offer is valid only for children and old people, then cout eligible, otherwise not eligible. I'll run the program and mention age as 60. So I got a message that is eligible. I'll run the program once again and now I'll mention the age that is 30. So I get a message that is not eligible. The person is not eligible.